everyone, Vegan Chris here, and today we're going to be talking about the top 7 new vegan products coming to the US in 2021. And it looks like 2021 is supposed to be one of the best years yet for vegans, vegetarians, and even flexitarians. So number 1 is Jack in the Box is launching their first vegan chicken sandwich. It's called the Unchicken sandwich, and this is being rolled out in Nevada and California. If they see success with this sandwich, they're likely going to roll it out across the US in 2021. This sandwich right now goes for $6.99, and from what I've heard, it is delicious. So I'm really excited for that one. I personally have never been to Jack in the Box, coming from Florida, but I will make an effort to find a Jack in the Box somewhere in the US if this sandwich gets rolled out in 2021. The second vegan product is Costco is launching their vegan chocolate dipped banana ice cream bars. Right now they're being launched at select locations in Southern California, but they look so good. Oh my gosh. These ice cream bars are made with dates, bananas, coconut milk, and organic chocolate. Oh gosh, I can't. Ice cream is my favorite dessert. It's quite literally my weakness. And with only 120 calories per ice cream bar, they're a pretty healthy and low-calorie option snack. And even though Costco only has these at select Southern California locations, we're likely to see a full US rollout in 2021. Really quick, if you love vegan food, make sure to go ahead and decimate that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so number 3 is Dunkin Donuts is working on a vegan donut that they plan to launch in 2021. Dunkin is already on the plant-based train, offering oat milk and Beyond Sausage. So it's no surprise that they're expanding their plant-based options with a vegan donut. And let me tell you, vegan donuts, I am so excited! Number 4 is they're coming out with a vegan version of Baby Bell mini cheese wheels. Now, I don't know about you, but I have such fond memories of childhood, peeling these red wax cheese wheels, playing with the wax, eating the cheese, major childhood flashbacks. French company Bell Group announced that they're working on vegan versions of all of their lines, which include Baby Bell, the Laughing Cow, and many more. And they said that we can expect these vegan mini cheeses in 2021. This is such good news. Number 5 is Chow Cheese, which is owned by Field Roast, is coming out with 5 new flavors for their vegan cheeses. And they're planning on rolling out these new flavors to retailers across the nation, including Walmart, which is huge because usually Walmart doesn't have the largest selection of plant-based options, but that's about to change. These new vegan cheese flavors include 2 new flavors of slices and 2 new formats, a gradable creamy original block of cheese and shreds and creamy original, and a Mexican style blend, which is a mix of its creamy original and tomato cayenne flavors. The new Chow shreds will be available at more than 1,000 Walmart locations, and the retail price will be about $5.99. Chow cheese is actually one of my favorite varieties of vegan cheese. I think it just tastes so much like regular cheese does, and it's so creamy, it's so tasty. On the subject of vegan cheese, number 6 is Daiya is releasing bulk packs of vegan cheese at Costco. These bulk packs are gonna run for $11.49 for a 2-pack, and each pack has over 14 ounces of vegan cheese. And that's a lot of vegan cheese for a really affordable price. Now, I know you might be thinking that historically, Daiya cheese is not very good, but that's all about to change considering they have a new recipe for their vegan cheese. Daiya's new recipe uses chickpea protein to have a better flavor, melt, and stretch that you would expect from any dairy-free cheese. So the company is encouraging people to forget what they think they know about Daiya cheese and to give it another try because it might surprise them. Now, Costco has already started releasing this at their Los Angeles and Hawaii locations, but if there's enough demand, they're expecting to roll this out across the US in 2021, which is a huge win. And number 7 is Impossible Milk. Yes, you heard that right. Not Impossible Meat, not Impossible Burgers, Impossible Milk. CEO Pat Brown said they want this milk to taste like the real thing. They don't want it to taste like regular soy milk or other plant-based milks. They want it to be as creamy and the same taste as you would expect from dairy milk. Now, this product is still in the early stages of development, but Impossible Foods does have a prototype, and they've said they're gonna spend the next 12 months doubling down on R&D. So if we're lucky, by mid to late 2021, we should see Impossible Milk hit grocery store shelves and be offered at restaurants. Now, as a thank you for sticking with me until the end, I have a couple bonuses for you. The first bonus is just folded egg. Now, this product isn't new. They've had it for a little while now. And what it is, it's a pre-made egg that you can just stick right in the toaster, and it's perfect for sandwiches, omelets, whatever it may be. By the end of this year, they're going to be at over 17,000 new retailers, expanding to Kroger, Walmart, Albertsons, Safeway, and other stores nationwide. So with any luck, by 2021, we should see the just folded egg product at a grocery store near you. And for the second bonus, Pizza Hut in the UK and Australia has an expanding vegan menu. They have vegan wings, they have vegan nugs, they have vegan stuffed crust, they have vegan cheese using BioLife. Now, unfortunately, this is only in the UK and Australia. But Pizza Hut has hinted that if they continue to see success in these plant-based offerings at their international branches, they're likely to bring some of these vegan options to the US as well. So fingers crossed on that one, because I would love to go to Pizza Hut and get BioLife vegan cheese stuffed crust and vegan cheesecake. That sounds amazing. So which new vegan product are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you can see new content about living a vegan lifestyle, and I'll catch you guys next time. Veganism, plant-based products, yeah, vegan ice cream, banana bars from Costco. Pizza Hut, if you're watching this, Pizza Hut, please, we need that vegan menu in the US. I'm begging you. Peace out.